Hello friends and welcome to News You Can Eat 24. This is Chef Walter Potenza from Chef Walter's Cooking School, and tonight we have a nice group here called the BB, right?
Yeah.
The BB.
Yeah.
Very nice. Did you learn anything tonight?
I learned a lot of different things, not to ask more than 5 questions.
That's right. You went over the list, way over the list. And we have David with us. David, you made pasta, right?
Yeah, pasta, good, delicious.
Very nice.
From cookbook.
Thank you.
Yes,
That's
thank
very
you.
kind of you. We have additional friends here. Any one of you want to make a comment?
Chicken man?
No, chicken man, pork
Chicken
chicken
man?
how to cook chicken the right way. The
right way.
And not to grill it.
Very well. And we go to this group here. Go ahead,
I
ma'am.
learned how to hold a knife so I don't hurt myself.
Very well. How about you?
We learned to listen to what you were saying because it's really important for safety.
And the lovely green eyes. I love this lady.
Thank you. She's beautiful. She is beautiful.
How about you? You made the risotto, remember? You started with the rice?
Mary and I made the
That's
risotto.
right.
It was wonderful.
Excellent. This is the group.
All the food.
This is the worst table, ladies and gentlemen. We have
The
right
worst
here.
table.
Not only is Chef Walter.
With our lentil soup.
Yeah, I'm the soup head, but not only Chef Walter, great cook.
Thank you. And this lovely lady
A good
here.
personality as well. Thank you so much.
And that is all for News You Can Eat here from Cranston, Rhode Island. This is Chef Walter. We'll chat with you next time. Bye-bye.